Now students, please look at question number 3. Question number 3, it is given, if sine A equal to 3 by 4, if sine A equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. I think it's a very easy question, only similar question we did right now, isn't it? Sine A is given 3 by 4 and we are asked to find cos A and tan A. What we have to do? By definition of sine, it is opposite by hypotenuse, isn't it? So just draw a rough right angle triangle, sine A, ABC, right angle at B, isn't it? Sine A, it is 3 by 4. So from A, opposite side it is 3 and adjacent side, sorry, opposite by hypotenuse, isn't it? Definition of sine, it is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse, here it is AC, that is 4. Okay, now we have to find what? Cos A and tan A, isn't it? That is the question. Find cos A and tan A. So to get cos A, we know by definition cos A, that is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse, isn't it? So adjacent of angle A is not given, isn't it, students? So first we will find adjacent side by using Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? So applying Pythagoras theorem here, the longest side it is AC, isn't it? AC square equal to what? Sum of the squares of the other two sides. So the other two sides are what? AB square plus the other side is BC square. We will just substitute the value. AC it is 4, so AC square it is 4 square equal to AB square we have to find plus 3 square. Okay, now taking 3 square to the other side, 4 square it is 16 minus 3 square it is 9. That is what? AB square. Okay, therefore 16 minus 9 it is 7 equal to AB square. Finally, therefore AB will be equal to what? Square root of 7. Okay, so now we got here AB, it is square root of 7. Applying this in this, therefore cos A, applying these values here, we can get cos A, it is what? Adjacent by opposite, isn't it? So adjacent side, cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent it is what? Root 7 by hypotenuse. The length of hypotenuse it is given 4. Okay, similarly it is asked to find tan A. Therefore tan A, by definition tan is opposite by adjacent, isn't it? Opposite side of A, it is what? Opposite of A it is 3 and adjacent to A it is what? Root 7. Okay, so these are the required values of cos A and tan A. Please take it to your notebook, students. Now students, please look at question number 4. Given question number 4, given 15 cot A, 15 cot A equal to 8. Find sine A and sec A. It is given that 15 cot A equal to 8 and we are asked to find the value of sine A and sec A, isn't it? Answer, 15 cot A equal to 8. This we can rewrite it as, therefore cot A equal to 8 by 15 we can take to the other side, so it will become 8 by 15, isn't it, students? Now we will apply this in the right angle triangle A. So here A, B, C. Cot A is 8 by 15. Cot A, it is 8 by 15. So from A, by definition of cot, it is what? Adjacent by opposite, isn't it? So adjacent it is 8 and opposite of A it is BC, that is 15. Hope it is clear. Okay, so applying cot A in the right angle triangle, we got AB equal to 8 and BC, that is opposite side of A, it is 15. Now we have to get what? We are asked to find sine A and sec A. When we look at the definition of sine, we know it is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. We have to find the length of this hypotenuse. So definitely in this triangle, first we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we know that what? AC square, the square of hypotenuse, will be equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, isn't it? That is AB square plus BC square, isn't it, students? So AC, we have to find out AB square. AB, it is what? 8 square plus BC, that is 15 square. So 8 its square is what? 64, and 15 square, that is 225, isn't it? Now when we add this, 289 we will get. That is AC square is 289. Therefore, AC equal to what? Square root of 289. What is square root of 289? That is 17. Isn't it, students? 17 into 17 is 289. Okay, so therefore we got AC equal to 17. So this we can mark here. Therefore, AC is 17. Now the question is what? Find sine A and sec A. Okay, so finally, therefore, sine A, by definition, sine is what? Opposite by hypotenuse, isn't it? Opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite of A, that is 15, by hypotenuse it is what? 17. So sine A, its value is 15 by 17. Okay, now we have sec A. We are asked to find sine A and sec A. Sec A, by definition, sec is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent, isn't it, students? Okay, sec is inverse of cos. Cos is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So therefore sec it is inverse of that, that is hypotenuse by adjacent. Okay, so sec A, it is hypotenuse by adjacent. Here hypotenuse it is 17. Adjacent of angle A, it is 8. So these are the required values of sine A and sec A. Okay, students. Now, students, please look at question number 5. Given sec theta equal to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Question number 5. It is given that sec theta equal to 13 by 12, and we are asked to find all the other trigonometric ratios, isn't it? So for that, first we will draw a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. Here it is sec theta, isn't it? So we can mark that angle theta here. Okay, so by definition of sec, it is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent, isn't it? So here hypotenuse is AC, that is 13, by adjacent of this angle theta, it is AB, that is, here it is 12. Okay, students. So substituting this in the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of BC. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, isn't it? So now AC, it is given 13 square equal to AB square, that is 12 square plus BC square. Okay, 13 square it is 169 and 12 square it is 144. Taking 12 square to here, it will become minus 144. Okay, that is equal to what? BC square. So 169 minus 144, what is that? That is 25 is BC square. Therefore, finally, BC equal to square root of 25. What is that? 5. Isn't it, students? Now, we got BC, it is 5. Finally, what's the question? Find all other trigonometric ratios, isn't it? So now sec is given. So the remaining trigonometric ratios are what? Sine theta. So from here, sine theta, it is opposite by hypotenuse, isn't it? Sine theta, it is opposite by hypotenuse, by definition, opposite by hypotenuse. So that is 5 by 13. Next, it is cos theta. By definition, it is adjacent by hypotenuse. So here is theta, so adjacent it is 12. By hypotenuse it is 13. So that is 12 by 13. Okay. Now we have tan. What is tan theta? Tan theta it is opposite by adjacent, isn't it? Opposite, that is 5, by adjacent it is 12. Okay students, now we have cosec. What is cosec? It is hypotenuse by opposite. Cosec it is hypotenuse by opposite, that is 13 by 5, or we can take that is a inverse of sine function. Okay, 5 by 13, its inverse is what? Cosec theta, it is inverse of sine, that is 13 by 5. Okay, sine it is 5 by 13, so cosec it will be 13 by 5. Okay, now sec is already given. We are asked to find next it is what? Remaining only cot, isn't it? So cot theta, that is inverse of tan. Tan it is 5 by 12, therefore cot theta equal to 12 by 5. Isn't it students? Please take it to notebook.